Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, where we bring you the latest updates and reviews in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Mehran, an iconic car that's been a staple in the Pakistani market for years. But what's new about this 2025 model? Let's find out. The Suzuki Mehran has been around for decades, but it still remains a favorite among first-time car buyers and those looking for an affordable, no-frills ride. This car has seen several updates over the years, and the 2025 model is no different. While it retains much of its charm and simplicity, there are some key changes that are worth discussing. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran stays true to the classic shape that's familiar to many. Its compact size and simple, yet functional design make it easy to navigate through crowded streets and tight spaces. Suzuki has kept the exterior clean, with minimal tweaks to the bodywork, which ensures that the Mehran still holds its timeless appeal. Whether you're driving through city traffic or parking in tight spots, the Mehran is designed for convenience. Inside, the 2025 Mehran offers a no-frills cabin that gets the job done. The interior has been updated with a modern touch, featuring an updated dashboard and improved materials. While it's not a luxury car by any means, it offers the basics: comfortable seating, a functional infotainment system, and a clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster. The minimalist approach means there's less to go wrong, making it an excellent choice for those who want a dependable car without unnecessary complications. Now let's get into performance. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is powered by a small, efficient engine that keeps fuel consumption low, making it perfect for city driving. The engine offers just the right amount of power to get you around without overdoing it, and its lightweight design means you'll enjoy easy handling. You won't be breaking any speed records, but the Mehran doesn't aim to do that. Instead, it provides a smooth and practical driving experience, especially for those looking for something affordable. In terms of safety, the 2025 Mehran has been updated with a few essential features, but let's be honest, this car isn't meant for high-speed highways or challenging terrain. It's a city car through and through. You get the basics in terms of safety features, but it's not as equipped as more expensive cars. Still, for a budget-friendly option, it does the job. Let's talk about pricing. One of the main reasons the Suzuki Mehran has been so popular for all these years is its affordability. The 2025 model continues that tradition. With the rising cost of cars and fuel, Mehran remains one of the most budget-friendly options for those in the market for a new car. If you're on a tight budget and need something reliable to get around, the Mehran is still one of the best options you'll find. To wrap up, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran stays true to its roots. It's affordable, reliable, and simple, and for a lot of people, that's exactly what they want. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive cars, it offers exactly what you need in a compact, no-frills package. For first-time car buyers, or those looking for a dependable vehicle on a budget, the 2025 Mehran is a solid choice. So, what do you think of the 2025 Suzuki Mehran? Is it the right car for you, or do you think it's time for a change? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates right here on Auto Dynamic. See you next video.